Welcome to Wooden Craft, the place where creativity meets craftsmanship. Today, we're exploring the world of modern sofa design, a topic that continues to transform the look and feel of homes in 2025. Sofas are no longer just seating furniture. They have become the heart of the living room, a statement piece, and a major contributor to comfort, style, and functionality. In this video, we'll walk through the latest sofa trends, wooden frame inspirations, minimalist creations, and smart designs for small spaces. Whether you're a DIY woodworker, a furniture designer, or simply a lover of home decor, this guide will give you fresh, inspiring ideas for your next project. Let's begin. Section 1, The Rise of Minimal Sofa Design. One of the biggest design movements of 2025 is minimalism. Modern homeowners want furniture that feels clean, simple, and open. And the sofa is no exception. Minimal sofa designs often feature straight, clean lines, neutral colors such as beige, gray, cream, or olive, slim wooden or metal legs, soft but structured cushions. This design works especially well in small apartments or modern open homes. It creates a sense of space, calmness, and order. Minimal sofas are also easier to build for woodworkers because they use fewer decorative details and focus on thoughtful proportions instead. If you're crafting your own wooden sofa, consider using light-colored woods like ash or birch, which naturally match the minimalist trend. Section 2, Wooden frame sofas are back. Wooden frame sofas are becoming extremely popular again, especially those with exposed wood surfaces. Unlike traditional sofas that hide the frame, modern designs proudly show the natural beauty of wood. Common features include solid wood armrests, a visible wooden base, slim wooden slats or panels, natural or matte finishes. These designs combine craftsmanship with modern style. They look elegant, warm, and durable. For woodworkers, this trend is a perfect opportunity because it allows creativity in choosing wood types, finishes, and joinery techniques. Whether it's teak, oak, mahogany, or locally sourced hardwood, a visible wooden frame gives any sofa a premium, handcrafted appearance. Section 3, Modular sofa design. Another major trend is modular sofas. These are sofas made of separate sections that can be rearranged depending on the homeowner's needs. Modular sofas are perfect for families, studio apartments, flexible living rooms, people who frequently move or reorganize their space. A modular sofa allows you to switch between an L shape, a U shape, a two-seat setup, or even a lounger style. This adaptability makes it one of the most practical modern sofa designs today. For woodworking creators, modular designs offer endless possibilities. You can create detachable wooden bases, adjustable backrests, or customizable cushion setups. Section 4, Japandi sofa style. Japandi style is a fusion of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian warmth. This trend has grown massively in 2025. Japandi sofas are simple, functional, and beautifully balanced. Key characteristics include low-height design, natural wood surfaces, calm, muted colors, soft, rounded edges, clean craftsmanship with no excess decoration. Japandi sofas create a peaceful atmosphere, making them perfect for meditation rooms, minimalist homes, and modern spaces. They are also easy for woodworkers to build because the designs focus on harmony, proportion, and craftsmanship instead of complex shapes. Section 5, Compact sofa designs for small spaces. As more people live in apartments and compact homes, small space sofa designs have become incredibly important. Popular features include narrow armrests, shorter depth seats, built-in storage, foldable or extendable sections, raised legs for an airy look. Storage sofas are especially trending. They help homeowners keep their space clean by storing blankets, pillows, or small items under the seat cushions. If you're designing wooden furniture, consider creating sofas with lift-up seats or drawer-style storage compartments. These designs add value, making the sofa both beautiful and functional. Section 6. Luxury Modern Sofa Trends. Luxury sofas in 2025 are defined not by extreme decoration, but by comfort and material quality. The top luxury sofa features include deep, plush cushions, soft fabrics like velvet, boucle, or linen, curved silhouettes, solid wood or metal accents, high-end minimalist finishes. Curved sofas, in particular, are trending. They soften the look of the living room and create a modern, welcoming presence. Even if you're working with wood, you can combine curved wooden bases with thick cushions to create a luxurious yet handcrafted sofa. Section 7. Wooden Craft Inspiration. For creators on the Wooden Craft channel, modern sofa designs offer amazing opportunities. You can try wooden frame sofas, minimalist two-seater sofas, sofa beds, DIY modular sections, Japandi-style wooden platforms, storage sofas with drawers. Each of these designs fits today's trends and appeals to buyers who love handmade furniture. Remember, the beauty of wooden craftsmanship is in the details. Smooth edges. Thank you for watching Wooden Craft. If you enjoyed these modern sofa design ideas, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing woodworking